Hi guys! Today we are going to meet a very special guest. He's very handsome as well as talented, and he just received the IELTS band score of 8.0 recently. Let's meet this guy and see how did he conquer his IELTS journey.
Hi guys, I'm Conrad. I'm currently a 12th grader in the Hadong High School, and I took the Simon's IELTS course here in Pasal.
Can you please introduce a little bit about yourself?
I have a bit of a hobby, like cooking, because ever since I was a child, precisely at the age of 4, my mom already took me to the kitchen and she instructed me quite some dishes. Then I felt connected and I just continued to develop my cooking skills. And then at the age of around 14, I really knew that cooking is really for me. But other than that, I also enjoy playing sports like badminton or basketball, or just listening to music like any other.
That is very impressive. So now I bet our audiences would love to hear about your IELTS journey. Can you please share more about that?
Of course, sure. Well, it was also at the age of 14 that I started my IELTS journey. At first, it was never my intention, it was rather my parents, because they predicted that IELTS would be very popular in the future, and it's really proven now. I felt IELTS kind of boring at first, because I was young, I didn't really enjoy learning. But then ever since I reached grade 11 and I got to know Pasal, I knew that I could explore a lot more about IELTS here, and with the help of the Simon's IELTS educational path.
As every other student, I think you have faced a lot of difficulties in your IELTS journey. So how did you overcome it?
Well, of course, in my studies, there were highs and lows. And first, it was the problem of reading many long passages. I am not a lecturer person at all. I don't really enjoy reading, and perhaps 3 reading passages like that is at least 5,000 words, not really for me. Those were the difficulties, but then I started learning how to overcome it. It was first I learned how to read faster, and then I was writing too. I had to learn how to brainstorm it, and with the help of IELTS from Pasal, I really knew how to make it faster, thinking about it and making the layout of the writing very carefully. Well, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, please give us a like. And see you guys in future videos. Bye bye!